Hi everybody, today I'm sharing with you my spicy zucchini fry recipe. These are super healthy, they're baked in the oven so there's no frying, simple ingredients, and we're making them spicy by using the Herbamare spicy sea salt mix, which has chili pepper inside and many other herbs and vegetables and organic sea salt. So what you'll need, and by the way, for all the steps and the exact measurements for this recipe, you can find them on the blog. So on A.Vogel Canada's blog, you'll have the recipe and the final result too as in a picture. So first of all, you just need the zucchini. You slice them like this, so into finger-like shapes, and you dip them into milk. I'm dipping into almond milk and then into this kind of breadcrumby mixture without the breadcrumbs. So it's half a cup of almond flour, half a cup of nutritional yeast for that cheesy flavor, and of course some Herbamare sea salt. I also added some paprika and some onion. You toss it around to cover every side, and then you just put it onto parchment paper and into the oven at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you flip them over and you cook again for 15 other minutes. Once it's done, comes into crispy, yummy zucchini fries just like this, and you can also make this little dip to dip them in. I use some water, some vegan mayo, some fresh basil, and once again I use the Herbamare spicy sea salt mix. Voila! Bon appétit!